Liquidity Swings by LuxAlgo TradingView Indicator. What is this? Liquidity Swings by LuxAlgo shows where big traders are entering or exiting the market. These zones are like hotspots where price changes direction or breaks out. How does it work? This indicator scans the chart for clusters of high activity. It marks key zones that act like magnets for price, helping you plan better entries and exits. Cool features. 1. Highlights key liquidity zones. 2. Helps predict price reversals and breakouts. 3. Great for scalping or swing trading. 4. Integrates well with trend indicators. How to use it. Works across all time frames. Trade toward liquidity in trending markets. Watch for rejection or breakout at liquidity zones. Combine with volume or candlestick patterns. Smart tips for traders. Use on major pairs or large cap assets for better signals. Set alerts when price approaches a liquidity zone. Avoid trading when price is stuck inside a zone. Liquidity Swings is like your market map, showing where the real action is. Keep learning and testing for consistent success. Like and subscribe for more powerful TradingView tools.